Hi, I'm Jen from BendPak. When it comes to the shipping, delivery, and the receiving of new BendPak and Ranger products, we want our customers to fully understand their options and the procedures involved. Let's go over some important guidelines and information that you want to be aware of. We use FedEx, UPS, the U.S. Postal Service, and other express delivery services for smaller parcels, such as individual parts and product accessories. LTL carriers are used for BendPak and Ranger equipment that includes scissor lifts, some 2-post and 4-post lifts, wheel service equipment, and other large-sized shop equipment. If a liftgate delivery is required to safely offload at either a business or a residence, a liftgate fee will be applied there as well. Please note that a liftgate is not an adequate means to offload our 2-post and 4-post lifts. Flatbeds are most commonly chosen when shipping the full-size heavy-duty auto lifts. These are big bundles of steel and can weigh over 7,000 pounds and be up to 27 feet long, depending on the model of the auto lift. Let's talk freight and applied fees. BendPak products are shipped freight paid in the 48 contiguous United States to a commercial business with the understanding that that business has the proper equipment for the unloading of the product. I stress, a forklift with 6-foot forks preferably, or other means to offload successfully must be present at the time of delivery. An additional fee will also be applied if a location is in a remote or rural area that is not located off a major highway. If an item is going to a residence, there's a residential fee added by the delivery service. So you might be asking, what if I don't have a forklift or other means to safely unload my product? Well, BendPak offers the following options. Your product can be shipped to the nearest freight terminal for will call pickup, and you can take it from there. But note there is a dock fee for this service. If you prefer that a professional installs your auto lift or wheel service equipment, we can ship it to a local installer to receive your product and have it installed. BendPak can ship to any place of your choice that will ensure the successful unloading of the product. The best idea is to reach out to our service team with any questions or concerns you may have before making an order. Thank you for being a loyal customer and choosing the best auto lifts, wheel service, and shop equipment on the market.